This is Hydrogen Tap. Had an interesting email today. Someone was asking when I'm going to stop calling my equipment test equipment, because everybody else has been selling their equipment and they don't put that on their signs. This is test equipment, and I don't know how else to explain it. When you go to my site hydrogentap.com, you're going to see it stating as test equipment, because that's what I'm doing. That's what this equipment is evolving. That's how it's evolving, is we keep making more tests. And I don't know how else to answer that. I'll never call it anything else but experimental test equipment. If you're interested in using this, you can go to hydrogentap.com. But it is experimental equipment, and it is what it is. One of the tests or experiments I'm trying to do with the focus cell, this is one of the latest cells. It's in this is a fish tank, which I've also been experimenting with to see how it will hold up with lye in there. It seems to be doing very well. There is distilled water there with lye in it, and one of the things I'm trying to discern is what's happening in this radiation type setup that we've done. Radiation meaning the voltage, the current going out. So this experiment here, first I'm going to set it up, and if you look over here you can see the voltage is 12.22 amps is nothing right now. What I want to do is find out how much amps are going through here at this point, and then we're going to put some metal in the tank with it and see what happens without drawing anything from it. This focus cell does very well, as you probably already know if you've been following the videos. It's putting out about 1 liter per minute. And we've got 1078 at 1163. That's how many amps? 10 amps. I'm going to turn it off. You can hear the fan in the background. It still doesn't quite clear the room. Right now there's no voltage going through it. You'll note the water is clear. Evidently what's happening, and this is probably a good testament to it, a lot of people are trying to find out where the brown color comes from. And as you can see, there's no brown in this water, but there will be. We let this run for a while, there will be brown in the water. So right now, more likely than not, it's due to the electrolysis after the water heats up. More likely than not. I haven't done a lot of tests on that. But at least we know it's not coming from the plates. So we're back to 00 at 12.7, 12.18 volts. And what I'm going to do is put something else in the water with it. So what I'm going to do is take this stainless steel screw and put it in the order like so. We're going to try it again. It's working too well. Let me try this again here. Okay. We've got there we go. 10.65. Now I'm going to put the screw in there. Okay, nothing. 10.64. 6.3. Okay. Now I'm going to take it out. See if it goes up. Six one, 6.2. I can't imagine it going up because the screw is too small. 6.3, 6.4. Now I'm going to put the screw back in it. Six, 7. Six, 8. Still going up. Well, at least we know the screw's not doing it. Okay, now what I've done is put a huge plate in there, and let's see what happens on this one. Here's the plate. 1089. Let's see if it goes down or up. Now I'm going to take the plate out. Bang, it's going up. Look at that. Look at that, 83. Let's put the plate back in it. Now it's going back up again. Well, something's happening. I don't know what. I gotta take it off now, otherwise we're gonna have too much hydrogen in this room. Well, don't quite know what to make of that. Perhaps it was nothing. Perhaps it was something. Just going to have to put it down for another thing to look at later.